Merron Garden, coach of Garvey Maceo.
All right, Mr. Garden. This was definitely a tough game. Frustrating, I could see on the sideline. Gyrating a lot of gimmicks on the sideline from you today. What do you think about the first half? Let's start off with the first half. What do you think about the first half? Going 1-0 down.
At no point I really put losing the game on my mind, but I know it was going to be a tough day. To play 4 games in 8 days is no ordinary thing. And I think that is the reason why we really perform, this bad. The guys are really, really tired. We tried our best to get them recovered, but, after a while the human body, is going to go into sleep mode and you have to just rest it, But, the guys pull it off at the end. We worked so hard on that set piece yesterday evening, and to see it work and win the game for us. It's a good thing for the boys and a good thing for the team.
And in the second half, I realized that from what I realized that your key man, that's Cleo Clark, was being double marked. I see you pulled a player and put him a little more central. That seemed to be a bit more effective from him. A lot more play from him in that sense. What made you make that change?
I think about Clarendon, all the teams know each other very well. The coaches know the players. People are going to come tactically to plan. So it's our duty to find alternative route to win a game. Or to get a good result from a game. But today we did something and it worked for us. Sometimes we don't work, but today it worked for us.
That 90-minute winner. What went through your mind when that one went in?
Really happy. When I saw the set piece, I said to myself, if we can get it right, we will score. And we got it right and we scored. So it's very good. As champions, it's good to really roll back on a day like this where we play probably a worst game so far. And tired legs. I even want to call it the worst game, but they are very, very tired. And I'm just dying for this round to over to get next week. For them to recover and start with some real sharp up work going into the tougher rounds.
All right, coach, and congrats and see you guys the next game, eh?
Yeah, man, respect. Thanks for having me.